Hey cuties! Oh, good. So today I'm covered up! I'm going to be doing something that I have never done before and I really want to try. And that is gluing my eyebrows. Now some of you might be like, okay, yeah, we know what that is. But some of you might not know what that is. Like, why would you glue, like for what? RuPaul's Drag Race is like one of my favorite shows. It is so inspirational to me to see the journeys, the struggles, the ups, the downs, the amazing makeup skills. I am inspired by RuPaul's Drag Race and I'm gonna see if I can give myself a whole new eyebrow shape. So basically, when the queens are transforming their looks, they take their boy brows, is what they call it, and they cover them, and then they can draw on any shape, color, style, brow they want. And I'm like, I want to try that. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take away my natural eyebrows and then put on some different eyebrows. I'm probably gonna fail at this. And I don't have much confidence in myself, but we can try and we can do it. I just said I don't have much confidence in myself and I was like, I can do it. So this video is going to be pre-filmed because you guys already know by now that I have my eyebrows microbladed. You guys are in the future right now. I'm in the past. So please, someone send me some kinetic alien energy right now and look into the future and look into the past and let me know, do they look good before I do it? What do I ask for, really? What? We need a few supplies first. What we are going to need is purple glue stick, a spoolie, eyebrow products, whatever you want to use, an eyebrow pencil, powder, and that's all we need. So I do not have purple glue stick, so let's go out and get it right now and get these brows sorted. I am so nervous, and I'm going out later to like supper and a movie with my mom and my brother, so we're just gonna hope that these look decent. Let's go. Okay, they only got this many of the purple one, and apparently you need the purple ones, so I'm just gonna get this and maybe give the rest to Drew and Shay because they like doing crafts. Okay, I'm back. What am I gonna do with this many? 6? And it was disappearing purple. Like what? So does that mean it's actually not purple? Is it 100% necessary that it has to be purple? It's purple. Oh my god, it smells like my grandpa's armchair. Step 1, remove our fake eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of my foundation as well. Okay, here are my natural eyebrows. So apparently now you need a spoolie. This has a fuzz on it. Ew. It's literally a Care Bear. I haven't even used this yet. What is happening? I watched a few tutorials, so if you guys get mad at me at my application, A, it's my first time, B, I watched a few drag queens, so go get mad at them. Don't be mad at me. Sick. Better not disappear. They say to really get in there. I'm really getting in there. Oh. This is... really get in there. Okay. Okay. Now I take the spoolie and you want to comb them. Oh my god, they're already like gluing. What? Ah! Okay, other side. Get the glue in there. My dog's like watching me. What are you doing? Okay, so we comb up. The glue's sticky. Everyone's like, no shit. I look like the Grinch now. Hello. Now you want this ish to dry. I already look high fashion. Like, and everyone's like, just take powder. And I'm like, what kind? Like, what do you mean? What do you mean just take powder? Okay, this is a Kat Von D sponge. This is Kat Von D powder. 2 separate things, so I hope they work together. And then just press. Oh my god, does this look terrible? It kind of looks terrible. And you do this a few times until you can't see the hairs anymore. Okay, so we need to do it again, definitely. So I do this again. Maybe because it's disappearing purple. There's no more purple, girl. Walmart played me with the disappearing shit. Why would it be disappearing? Why wouldn't you just get white glue then? I'm so confused. So you can see maybe where you're gluing, but like, be purple or don't be purple. They're drying. Okay, now I'm gonna load these with powder. Oh, they're actually disappearing. They're actually disappearing. Call your friends, call your mom. Oh my god, I am so excited right now. It's working! Oh, it's working. Oh, high fashion. Oh, Donatella Versace who? Here's me trying to do that bit. Donatella Versace. Oh, okay, let's keep doing it. This is fun. From far away, you're like, where are her brows? And up close, you're like, ew. Round 3, fight! Whoa, these are getting hard. They're supposed to look like that? Try! Whoa. Okay, let's do another coat. Okay, you know what? This is as good as it's gonna get. Dust off some of this extra powder. We look so good, honestly. Next, there's a tip to take a color corrector, so like an orangey type deal mush, and put that orangey, wait, you put the orangey on to like counteract the bluey purple, but the bluey purple is like non-existent. So I'm only gonna put it onto a place where I can kind of see my brow hairs. So it's like counteracting the darkness. The darkness. And now we conceal and put foundation on. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer, oh my God, or a lot of it, to conceal their identity, so you never know. Now for a heavy coverage foundation so you don't see my brows, I'm using the Kat Von D again. Brows who? Like I don't even have brows. Oh my God, it actually looks like I don't have brows. Whoa, the power of makeup compels you. So it looks like believable from far away. When you go close up, you can. Now we attempt to draw a new brow on, girl.
I don't understand how this is gonna happen, where this is gonna happen.
We're just gonna attempt this right now. I'm taking this this one right here, edgy, because I was watching and a few people do like eyeshadow as their eyebrows. It's looking good, oh my God. Kind of going for that like Naomi Smalls look, which is probably not gonna happen. Oh my God, this is actually hard to do. Ooh, work. Thin and long and doesn't really look good, but whatever. Now to get them to match, peace be with you. They're two different shapes. I hate my life. I'm like surprised on this one. Okay, I'm really giving it to drag queens right now. Like when they slay a brow like that, are you kidding? I look a mess. This is not cute. This is definitely not cute. I want more of an arch. I'm frightening. What do we think? Smash or pass? I can't go to the movies like this. Can I?
Looking like an Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka's factory?
It looks like two camels having a rest in the sun. Like they're just like, you know what? I think I did good. It's beautiful. Okay, so now we take concealer and we conceal so we don't show our mistakes. Oh, look at that. I was expecting a different result. I was expecting to look like Violet Chachki. Please let me know your comments down below. Yikes. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Well. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this. Nobody asked for it, but I did it anyway. If there's something you guys do want and do want me to try or whatever, leave it in the comments down below or tweet me on Twitter. I see it much more quickly if you tweet me on Twitter. I'm kind of digging these brows. Like they're like, what? You tell me something like, oh, did you know that Starbucks? I'll be like my eyebrows are like, Starbucks? Stay you, stay beautiful, and keep smiling. Love you. Bye.